Alright guys, time to do a little talking. So, made 4 of them, 2 yellow, 2 orange. These are for, one of these is for a friend of mine who's thinking about making YouTube videos. He's does yard maintenance, tree work, and hardscaping. So, and he needs something. He started early last fall on a job, and filmed the whole thing. Broke 2 tripods in the process. So we've been talking back and forth a little bit, and this is kind of what he described, and we drew some pictures and figured it out. We wanted something that you could take. Let's get you aimed down here, and shove into the ground. Now you can use a magnetic camera mount. Put a magnetic camera mount on it. Ordered the thumb screws off of Amazon. They're about $1 a piece. And you just use a O-ring to lock them in place. Yeah, they came from the O-ring kit, Harbor Freight. Thumb screw, you saw me make. So, you got some decent adjustment. It's about 5.5 feet tall when it's not in the ground. 6-inch spike. So, but this can be moved all over his job site. If he hits it with a piece of equipment, might still damage the camera, but the mount's going to survive. Like I said, in that job that he filmed last fall, he broke 2 tripods. Tripods are kind of expensive. He was using fairly cheap ones, Walmart or whatever, but he wanted something that he could stick his magnetic camera mount on, or mount a fixed camera to, and just be able to use it really easily. So, anyhow, one of these is for him. Don't know which one yet. I'll let him look at them and decide which one he wants. Since I was making them, there's a couple of YouTubers that I watch. Dirt Perfect, Captain Kleeman, and I said, you know what? I've got enough materials in the 2 sticks of material that I had to make 4 easily. So we made 4. I'm going to ship 1 to Dirt Perfect and 1 to Captain Kleeman. Dirt Perfect is going... Hi, Miko. Yes, hi. Are you going to say hi to the people? Huh? Yeah, I'm talking to the people again. All right. Miko wants to say hi to everybody. Everybody say hi to Miko in the comments. Where was I? Besides getting the old Mastiff lean here. Yeah, yellow one, going to Dirt Perfect, because we all know that Safety Yellow is his favorite color. The other one's Kubota Orange, so, can send him that one too, because we know Kubotas are his favorite piece of equipment. But he's getting a yellow one. Captain Kleeman's going to get an orange one. My buddy's going to pick whichever one he wants, and I'm going to keep the last one, I think. Unless you guys go down and put there in the comments somebody else who deserves one of these, who does a lot of outdoor filming and can benefit from one of these. Because I don't need it. I film in the shop. And the stand that you guys are on is by far my favorite stand. And if that doesn't work, I've got the magnetic camera mount handheld that I really like too. So, and if I really need one of these, I can always make another one. Gentle there, buddy. Calm down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, go down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell for notifications. And we'll catch you in the next one. Oh, thanks for watching.